Let's get started. The first tool we're going to use is Leads Picker. It's a very simple AI-based Google spreadsheet that lists all the relevant venture capital firms. As you know, identifying who invests in what sector is a cumbersome task. This could take weeks to patiently sift through and categorize. When you finally reach out to them one by one, you would have spent a significant amount of time. Though you could technically pawn off this task to someone, why should you spend precious man-hours on a task that can be done in less than an hour, right? For this walkthrough, I'm going to use the limited version. If you scroll down, you'll see this oddly placed link. Now, click on it and it will ask you to log into your Google account and copy the spreadsheet. Do you see the yellow warning bar at the top? Click on Allow Access. You need to give access to the AI so it can fetch the results for you. Pretty cool. Click on Allow Access again for the spreadsheet to work with AI. Immediately after you give access, all the relevant fields are fetched. Take a minute to go through the columns and fields on the spreadsheet. Here's how it works. At the first row, you will have to explain what your product is about and the vertical that your product belongs. The country where you are planning to raise investments from. It could be your current domicile or anywhere you are planning to operate in the future. Then, the current stage of investment you are looking for. It could be early stage, seed, or Series A. For the first 50 results, you don't need API key. If you need access to more data, you will have to purchase an API key. As soon as you're done, the AI will immediately start fetching the relevant details. Event if you change the country. There it is. More investors. All the data are categorized and displayed based on the industry they invest in. You can comb through the list and identify the ones that you feel would be your ideal investors. Do not edit the sheet or add any data to it. It may break the functionality. Here I'm just resizing the columns for better viewability. So, you can ignore the warnings that show up. I'm going to check the list of investors who might be interested in an AI-based SaaS platform. Let's check how many show up. Looks good. Now that we've got a list of venture capital firms to reach out to, it's not done until we find out who to reach out to. This is where our second tool comes in the picture. We're going to use hunter.io to find out the decision makers within each of these VC firms in a single shot. Under the URL column, copy the domain names. Next, we're going to use the bulk email prospecting feature of hunter.io to get the email addresses under that domain. Before we proceed to the next step, we've made a detailed walkthrough on how to set up and use Hunter.io. Check. Link in description. This is the dashboard of Hunter.io. At the top menu, click on Bulk. Then, click on Domain Search option, as we have the list of domains with us. Click the New Bulk button. Then, give the list a name. Next, paste the list of domain names you had copied. Enter the other details as per your need. If you want, you can verify the email addresses before it is saved to your list. Click Upload and the platform will identify and save the email addresses. You can now download the email list in a CSV format and later upload it to your lead list. Click Download. From the top menu again, go to the Leads section where you can import your leads from the CSV file. Click New Import. You will have to create a lead list that can be used to schedule a VC outreach email campaign. Select the CSV file from your computer and upload. I have an email list from a different provider. I'm going to use that for my convenience. Great. Now I have to map the columns before the contacts get saved. I'm choosing to save the email column and the full name column from my list. Make sure to select the option below the table that says the first row is for the headers. If you feel that we're rushing through the outreach process, we made a much detailed walkthrough on how to use the platform. So, be sure to check the link in description. That should be helpful. Click on Start Import and list will be imported. Next, we're going to schedule the email campaigns. Click on New Campaigns. Enter the subject and the email content. Similarly, you can use other tools like Apollo.io to automate prospecting and sending out campaigns. When everything looks good, click on Next. Then, choose the recipients from your leads and add them. Schedule the campaign and finally launch it. Hope you found this workflow useful. Until next time, thanks for watching.